I'm heading into the finish line here, and this is what I have. Now, since I love Paris theme, and this will end up in my bedroom, and I made this stiletto during my Paris theme Christmas one year. I'm looking around the house for some additional products that's already here, and I found a bunch of flowers, some extra foam left over from last project, and then a little bit of this tinsel glitter. So what I'm going to do is add glue to some foam, place it in here. I'll cover the foam with this, and then I'll use the florals to push into the foam. Like that. And then I'm going to create a little bouquet area right here, and then I might be finished. Stay tuned. Oh, so far I've used just 3 packages of these beads. 3. And here is my final pumpkin Paris theme. I create my own decor. Make stilettos, little miniatures. I even repurpose jewelry boxes. This was yellow at one time. Back to the pumpkin. Here we are. It's around $16 to make. And then I added some tinsel that I found in my craft stash and a little bit of tulle. Paris reminds me of dancers, ballet, pink and black. And there you go. The rest is DollarTree. So around $16. Take away what you don't like, add what you do like. Make your own theme. If you find a tablecloth, repurpose it. That is a repurposed tablecloth. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Legacy's Little Luxuries. Once again, thanks for watching on TikTok. And if you can't find me on YouTube, I'm on Facebook daily. Check out Legacy's Little Luxuries on Facebook.